Hello, my name is Zeke Bochanek, and I'd like to show you how easy the selection and installation of the Metraseal and mechanical water stop is. For most sealing applications, a proper seal model can be selected from the printed charts inside of the Metraseal catalog. The first step in selecting the correct seal model is to find an opening ID. The opening can be a sleeve or a core drill hole like this one. The next step is to find a penetrating pipe OD. For example, I'm working with a 6-inch pipe penetrating a 10-inch core drill hole. This application requires 10 links of the Metraseal Model 475. Now, let's move on to the installation. Wrap the Metraseal around the pipe, connect the links, push the belt assembly into the hole, and sequentially tighten the bolts. This may take 2 or more complete passes around the pipe. The installation is now complete. Thank you for watching.